Fred, come on. Where's he gone? Where have they gone? Oh, they've all gone. Where'd they go? Yeah, look, here it comes, look. Oh dear. He's winding you up, Toby. See, he's winding you up, pal. Oh dear. He'll come back in a sec. Toby, here he is, look. Oh dear. Wait, Fred, wait. Alright. I have to grab him in a minute. He'll have a heart attack if he carries on.
Oh, is he chasing the swallow?
Yeah, they don't come out often.
No.
So when they do, but there's a couple of times where he will go. I have to time him literally, because otherwise he will have heart. He'll just keep going until he dies. Do you know what I mean? So, but it's funny as hell.
Good look at that.